Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Yenny, and today I have a new box opening for you. I actually planned to have this one be properly audio, but I got sick. I'd been sick for a few days when the package came, and I was still sick, and I still am sick now that I'm editing this a while later. But as you can see, I'm trying to open this huge ass box. So this is some Mara Creatures ramunder, big honking troll dolls. I was amazed. I had to get help to get this thing from the post office. It was a whole ass ordeal. Not feeling super well, but I am really glad that they got here when they did, because again, I wasn't feeling super hot, so a little livening up for my day. I'm struggling throughout this entire box opening process, but it all went well in the end. All is well, no issues whatsoever. Aside from me forgetting scissors and needing to ask for help for various things, and already here I'm like super overwhelmed by the sheer size of this lad. He's the largest doll that I've ever had. I probably ever will be having. He is way larger in real life than I expected somehow. Regardless, I had the dimensions, there were measurements on the site and everything, but I was somehow imagining that he would be able to wear some of the clothing that I have, like very loose clothing that I have for my Impel doll, like big boy, like the biggest boy. But no, not even close. He's unable to wear anything at all whatsoever. Which is kind of fun for me, because now I get to make new things. So that's good. I just have to actually get into, making the things. I'm sure some of you can relate. But here I am trying to open the hands. You're gonna see in comparison to my hands, he's huge. I'm trying not to swear. He's enormous. Just look at those hands. This is like the size of a small child. Also, the weight of a small child. I will not be needing weights. I will be buff as heck handling this doll. I will be the most swole I've ever been in my entire life. But yeah, definitely a hefty, very strong, very strong. Here I am trying to get the feet out, and still just kind of like, I remember just being like, what the heck? I knew that the shoes wouldn't fit. I knew that, but these are larger than the actual shoes from the outside. So whether I'm gonna have to learn how to make shoes, or just to have this character go without shoes, or somehow commissioning someone else to make shoes for him, I don't know. Look, maybe now that he's here, I'll just take one step at a time. The first one of which has to probably be the face up. I've been dreading it for a while. I have multiple dolls who need face ups, and I am very loath to send any of them away to anyone, especially during 2022. 2021 was equally bad, and 2020 wasn't much better. Out of dread that they won't be coming back to me at any point. So maybe I'll just need to take this as a learning, growing experience for myself. I made a few doll face-ups in my time. None of my dolls have those anymore. They've been remade by people who are way more talented and skilled than I am, but that's not to say that I can't learn. Yeah? Yeah. Maybe that's something that I need to look at. Seeing as I already do digital art and have some bases in traditional art, surely it can't be that difficult. There's plenty of tutorials out there. If other people can do it, why not I? And here I am trying to just get everything out of the way, and you can see like my hands in the scale of this thing. Damn. That's like the biggest thing that I keep thinking about, just the sheer size. And here you can see kind of like the back curvature and the legs. They are kind of like not quite stuck, but that's like the natural pose that the legs and back go into. There's this like little troll-like shrimp posture. Shrimp is like, you know, the posture that you're in when you've been sitting on the computer too much and your posture is like way out of whack. That's this one, very relatable. Um, Here is the certificate of authenticity. I'm not going to show the entire thing on camera, just because I know that some people have used camera footage to try to fake certificates before. Not my footage, but footage in general. And I just checked off camera that it has all the information that it needs to have. Also came up with these blank white eyes, which is great. I was, even before this doll came up, I was thinking of wanting to have an orc or troll doll with white eyes. So this is like the perfect fit. Good for me not having to buy separate eyes for my doll, because the companion doll that this doll is gonna go with has like this all black eyes. So it'll be a great match. Great match. Here's the ears, very intricate. I wasn't sure how they would be attached. I followed the making process of this doll, but that's been like years ago, way back when it started, like 4+ years ago. Here's the tail part. I think I was checking if I could just slide it out, and I decided that I have the scissors. Maybe I should use my 2 brain cells that I have and just, go for it. Actually use the scissors that I got for the opening of the package. Mine is probably not gonna have the tail, to be honest, because I tend to find that they're kind of in the way, and because I'm gonna be making my own clothes for this one, it might be in the way, but I'm not sure. Here's the face. I love it. Huge nose, great teeth. Look at him. What a beautiful, spooky lad. And in the background here is he's holding the SD. That's his companion.